Every bride deserves to shine on her special day, and for the modern Muslima, elegance meets modesty in the perfect white hijab wedding dress. Whether you're planning a traditional Islamic wedding or something contemporary, we've got the ultimate inspiration just for you. In 2025, hijab bridal fashion is embracing timeless sophistication with a modern twist. Think satin A-line gowns, high necklines, dramatic sleeves, and delicate beaded hijabs. Modest never looked so majestic. Designers are blending tradition and couture like never before to craft unforgettable bridal looks. First up, a classic princess cut gown. Elegant, regal, and flowing with volume. Perfect for the bride who dreams of a fairy tale wedding. Next, we have the minimalist silk gown paired with a structured white chiffon hijab. Ideal for the bride who loves understated luxury. Then there's the embroidered abaya-style wedding dress, where Middle Eastern charm meets bridal couture. Rich fabrics, gold detailing, and layers of modest glamour. We also spotlight Pakistani bridal hijab styles, combining ornate dupattas with traditional white lehengas for a jaw-dropping entrance. And of course, the Turkish-inspired lace gowns with soft pleats, pearl accents, and flowing trains, elegance from every angle. Your hijab deserves as much attention as your gown. From draped silk hijabs with crystal trims to structured veils with lace applique, your headpiece can elevate the entire look. Don't be afraid to experiment with layered textures and jeweled pins to add your own unique touch. Today is your moment. Let your hijab wedding dress speak your story. Elegance, grace, and intertwined. Like, share, and subscribe for more stunning Muslim bridal inspirations. Tell us in the comments which style spoke to your heart. Discover the most breathtaking white hijab wedding dress styles for Muslim brides in 2025. Whether you're a bride-to-be or simply love modest fashion, this video showcases a curated collection of elegant Islamic bridal gowns that beautifully merge tradition with modern style. From satin princess gowns to embroidered abaya bridal dresses and Pakistani hijab styles, explore a variety of designs for your dream wedding. We also share bridal hijab styling ideas, trending cuts, and how to make modesty look magnificent on your big day. Perfect for Islamic weddings, Nikah ceremonies, Walima receptions, or Muslim engagement parties. Watch, get inspired, and find your perfect bridal look. Don't forget to subscribe for more modest fashion and bridal inspiration. Hijab bride, Muslim wedding, white wedding dress. White hijab wedding dress, Muslim wedding dress 2025. Hijab wedding dresses, Islamic wedding dresses, Muslim bridal gown, modest wedding dress ideas. Wedding dresses with hijab, abaya bridal dresses, Muslim bride fashion bridal hijab styles, Nikah dress 2025. Wedding hijab styles, Islamic wedding fashion hijab bridal gown, bridal hijab tutorial. White abaya wedding dress, wedding outfit for Muslim 2025. Hijab bride, Muslima wedding dress, hijab bridal look ideas. Hijab bride wedding dress, Muslim wedding, modest bride white wedding dress, hijab wedding dress, Muslim bridal gown 2025 bridal trends, bridal hijab styles, Nikah fashion, abaya bride, elegant hijab, wedding inspiration, Muslima style hijab fashion. White hijab wedding dresses 2025. Wedding dress with hijab, modest Muslim bridal fashion. Hijab styles for wedding dress. Pakistani bridal hijab styles, abaya wedding dresses, Islamic bridal gowns, hijabi bride wedding inspiration, Muslim wedding outfit ideas, wedding dress ideas for Islamic brides. Simple and elegant hijab wedding dress, trending hijab styles for weddings, bridal hijab tutorial, Muslima bridal fashion 2025.